Morning, guys. Brandon from Boiler Room Trading here. Today is Monday, 3rd. That'd be for June. I'm going to do a little bit of market recap and some of the plays that we did today. So today, I expect a little bit of a ramp up. Had the gap down. Pretty much filled that all pre-market. Higher highs, higher lows. Really good trend and squeezed right up and over. So our bias rate at the start was long. Pretty simple, open, pretty textbook for us. So NFLX was the first long call. It was popped to short, so I took it long for a scalp right out of the gate for over pre-market high break. Got a pretty decent fill and continuation on this one, just about a $300 winner just for a nice little 1.5 scalp. Pretty decent share size there, but then later on we tracked her down, let the market do its pop and drop, and then we called another play right at our golden little blue line here. Pretty simple. Yesterday's lows right here, but then we had a historical one of 343. As it started rolling over, I said we're going to switch biased. If it snaps lows, comes it back, retest it, gives us a confirmation of weakness in shorts. So a couple members took it short right as this we were talking about. It was the breakdown here. It snapped. We called it right about 641 or so, just kind of on this trail back down. It snapped the lows, did exactly that. It retraced to yesterday's lows and our big level here, creating a confirmation of weakness for us. Shorted it and definitely had a very nice play down. And then we even took another secondary short on it, call for the retrace on the daily to the 200 EMA. On the intraday, it looked like this retracement right here. So I said, if you missed the first big short, we're going to retrace back, watch the 200 EMA on your intraday, 3-day, 1 minute. Right back up to that 339, and we had 3 huge trades on NFLX today. Big Ranger and bangers, not bad. Didn't trade this one today, but we did have a good call on it. GNCA just worked off historical support resistance as we do. Very simple. Over under 11 was the short. Lots of potential on that one. So big mover there. Real simple play. Nothing too crazy. Facebook was a short call today. We targeted the 174 break and then 170 for outstanding retracement. Pretty standard play there all the way down to 170. Couldn't believe how easy we got that one on a directional pick. That was a very fancy call in pre-market breakdown. Real easy stuff. Other ones that I played today was BYND Meats. BYND Meats had a nice little long. I was looking for the secondary push up to a double top here. So capitalized on a pretty big win here. Got in this consolidation range. So let me back up a little bit here. Rescale because TOS is magic there. But back to here. This consolidation range got long in, pretty much just looking for volume confirmation. We got in a little early down here during the consolidation, had this huge buyer beat, so we never exited the trade, just let it pull back, utilizing a larger stop loss, looking for maybe VWAP and 50, but it never did pull back there. The target was 108 on the long, so we were in just about 107, made a 1.5 on that squeeze back up. Target was 108 for the cover, and we were good to go. Nailed it, got in and out, good scalp. Pretty big winner there. We did have a loser today, a real tiny one on TEVA, only because of pure impatience. The call was the hold of $9 should ramp, and it kind of fell apart there. We were long of this consolidation range. Somewhere in here is $9.11 entry. Stop out was $9. It didn't even get to $9, but I took it off at this little consolidation point to focus on BYND Meat's play. Taking an $80 loss there, nothing really to write home about. But the play in general, actually, from the $9.11 entry with a $9 stop out call, called live, everything was a perfect ramp. And even if you were still in there at the $9.11 entry, you still would have capitalized on an easy little 15-16 cents there. Nothing super big, but the play was there. A couple other ones. Twitter was one of the other short calls that we did today. Pretty easy call in the long-standing time frame. 2 different calls there. We watched the 3660s here for the breakdown and short from there. So that one was a rather easy call there, just basing it off the 200 EMA 4-hour. And we do have a reversal trend for where the bounce play came in. We're just going to extend this one on this chart because it wasn't extended there. And just got this giving us more confirmation to the downside here as it snapped a lower trend and couldn't hold any kind of bounce potential there. Just, big continuation, big panic. So those are pretty key plays today. Real simple play, in and out, one and done, not even 2 hours of trading, capitalizing on a very nice day. That's all we got for you guys today. We'll see you bright and early in the morning in the Elites room.